It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Super Saiyan number 4 Gogeta. And I'm curious like how good this thing will be. So what you can see, like I left the price tag on. I paid around 25 euros for this thing. It's a bootleg, but the question is how good is a bootleg? Because that is always like the question with these bloody things. Is it good, or was it just a waste of 25 euro and a waste of plastic? Like it is possible that can happen, because I have seen some shitty bootlegs in the past. Alright, so let's open it up and let's see what we're going to get in the inside. So first thing that I've noticed, like this thing is quite heavy. So that is interesting and a very good sign. Okay, so let's see how good the quality is. Hey, there's not a label on it. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh man, he used a lot of plastic. So is this thing new or is it used? Because that's more like the gamble what we're going to get with these things. I bought a couple of them like second hand from a seller. Sometimes I paid quite a lot of money for it, because some of these bloody statues are freaking expensive. Even the bootlegs nowadays are going to get expensive. But I wanted to have like a Gogeta. It's going to be standing very epically in my collection. Yeah, alright, I don't know what is going on over here. Okay, so you need to do something with this. Okay, so, oh, that is pretty cool. So there is a LED function inside of this ball. Okay, that is cool. Alright, so let's do a quick overview of this figure. First thing, smelly test. Oof, it smells chemical, but not in a bad way. Okay, so when you're looking at the paint quality, it's okay. It feels quite heavy, so that's a good thing. His face looks nice. You can see like a lot of mold things on like his hair. They're like really noticeable. Something you don't have to like a lot of with the original ones. You can see like paint stain problems. Still does look good. It's like flexible plastic. The same goes over here. Oh man, if this thing was made from resin, it would be like super fragile. Okay, but I'm more like, what is the idea with this ball? Like, should you like glue it back, or because this is like hot glue? Okay, let's remove this. Maybe you need to open it up too. But alright, so yeah, normally I think is this in cap, whatever. I'm more like, you need to pull this thing out so you can have this LED up function. Doesn't even matter. I'm just going to display it like this. It's pretty cool. We have like these poster clays that I can use in it to put it in this certain position. There's not going to be any issue. Okay, so let's see what we're going to get in here. So this is the stand. I'm just going to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of this, simply because when you're looking at these stands, it's going to be like annoying to display, because these things take up a lot of room. Huh. Let's plug this thing in. Okay, let's see if I need to put it in here like this. Okay, it's going to be nice, but let's do this off camera. But okay guys, so let's take a close look at the Gogeta Super Saiyan 4. I really like this character. I'm just gonna be honest, I'm not the biggest Dragon Ball GT fan, but I just wanted to have this in my collection. The only thing I found a little bit of annoying when you're looking at the overall quality, it is not that great. I already pointed out a lot of like paint issues and other problems, and the base in my opinion doesn't help either. So when you're looking at it, like I am not like super pleased with it. I'm happy to have a Gogeta in my collection. For the money, we can't really complain, because the bootlegs are just cheaper. But when you're going to get up close, you can see like a lot of paint job flaws. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think of this? Would you like be happy with to have this in your collection, or would you like skip it and just try to find the original one? And most of the time these things are going to be like with crazy prices, and that's the only biggest downside to these like figure collecting. But for the video, I just want to like show you the ball with a light up feature. The idea behind it is pretty damn cool. I just want to have them that, but I'm wondering like you need to shut it down, because it's going to start blinking or fading in, fading out all the freaking time until the freaking like power runs out. You do see like the poster clay, it's not very nice and clean. Maybe I can like mix it up a little bit with two smaller parts at the left and the right. But for the video I just wanted to show you how it looks and what it will do. But that's all, folks. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become on the Wicked family, and let me know what you think of this bootleg. And it would be just great to see you in the next video.